live for live stream 402. And let's just have a look here at these markets. So the current range on NQ is 250.50, which is a pretty standard range for NQ. 63.9 on gold. So not seems like we've got light volume on gold. Looks a bit choppy. 135, not even crossed a million on ES. Looking at slow markets, silver is up 5%, breaking higher. Let's see. We'll see if we get us up on the old gold. Over here on NQ. Saw a trade from yesterday work out with us, which was a little bit disappointing. It's a little bit disappointing. See if these markets. We'll see if these markets want to play ball. So we've got a TPO point of control around the 475s. Sitting around 677. Wow, silver's back up to $80. Interesting. It seems it wants to break out to new all-time highs. Mm. Up to the very middle of the range VIX here. Just gonna buy silver here. Goodness me. So we came within 8 ticks of target. Golly. Mm. So prices came within 7 ticks of target. Adjusted my stop to break even. And it looks like I'm going to be stopped out for break even. Oh, fuck. Gonna take a long again. halfway to target is up at 81. If I get to the alert there, I'm adjusting my stop to break even. Okay, adjust stop to break even. Halfway to target. Seems I'm gonna have to make some instrument specific adjustments for silver. Seems to be getting halfway to target and not all the way to the full target, so maybe I'm going to have to just simply take profits. Also adjust stops as well to reflect the volatility. I think the previous one was around there. Oh no, it was 81 actually. I do remember it was 81. That's what our previous target was. This one's 81.45. Tell you what, we break above 81. I'm adjusting my stop to that. Goodness me, look at NQ breaking out to the upside. Wow. Did I get that wrong? Let's see. Yeah, it should be up there. Let's go with a short here. Looks like it's going to be a stop out. Oh, oh my flipping word. I'm going to have to make the adjustment. We get halfway down to target, adjusting stop to break even. Oh, we just came down to this high volume here on the old silver. Finding some buyers. Are these buyers going to be enough? No, it's not clean enough for me. I should be getting stopped out in NQ. There we go. There we go. She could have picked up another 81 there. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. So this is going to be based off. Should put a stop in. Where is the stop? Hold up. Where is the stop? It's right there. Car. Stopped out. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out over on silver. Seeing big selling over there on NQ. Probably going to translate up to over silver now. You know what? Let's adjust to break even. Adjusted NQ to break even. Pretty much got to that 47.75. Got down to 47.75. The alert wasn't triggered. Oh, that's probably going to show absorption now. So, oh, come on. Don't need silver coming back. Looks like silver's topped out. Okay. I am buying at the high volume point. So, there's that. There is that. if we can get to this 81.010, be adjusting stop to break even. We got to 990. Yep, through the level. So just stop to break even. Oh, calm the f on, man. What is that? 2 ticks from target? Fuck. Come on. Not this shit again. Come on, not 2 ticks from target. Come on, let's not do this. Come on, go grab those 2 ticks. Oh, fuck me. One tick from target. You can see this came down to a high volume point and found buyers. Come on. Come on, fill me. It's waiting to be filled here. What the fuck is going on? Fill me, man. What the fuck? There we go. Finally being filled over there. Okay. Finally seen the move I was trying to get from all the way over there, but yeah, got this at break even. Hoping for this to break through the high volume point. Probably won't. Probably won't. I suppose if I was to go look at this on the footprint charts, it's probably going to show me some absorption or some delta divergence, all the good stuff. Right there. All the good stuff right there. So probably will take another loss here. I'd probably say it's highly likely. Target's all the way below the TPO point of control, down at 736, down at 728. You know what? The risk is only 1k plus commissions. I think it's about 1600 altogether. Didn't miss me. Look how close I came to stopping me out. Seriously wondering if I should make the adjustment here, but the problem I'm gonna have is it's going to be let's see, that would have hit target already. You know what? Let's go with that. Let's see. Bring that up a bit right there. Look at that breaking out to new highs. See, that's new ATH, new all-time highs there on silver. Where have we got daily chart? Oh no, all-time highs above 82,700. See, this is just getting absorbed. See, all the buyers there are getting bought back up. See, all these weeks here tells me it's getting bought back up. So just took a speculative ad there. Gonna be stopped out. See, it's not turning over. It's not turning over. Look at this area here. It's got a lot of congestion in this area. Got the highest volume right there for that period. Highest volume is only 7 points away. And then we've got a point of control, TPO, down at 36, which is like 26 points away. So it's a very congested area. Not great for trading. Not great for trading. Imagine if this goes and does that, takes out the highs and rolls over and goes and gets at 48. Be a little bit disappointing. I think, am I up on the day? I guess I am. I think I started at 502 or some BS. This is 6 today. Oh, I started at 508. That's interesting. Started 508, currently trading 79, so picked up about 70 so far. Need to pick up another 30 to get the daily goal. We'll see if we can get that. I might need to sync time. Gotta be kidding me. It's actually going to go down to target. Mm. Good luck. Why couldn't it just roll? It's the not. Let's see. Let's see. Mm. Okay. It's going to go down there. There we go. There we go. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Should have held a position. Okay, let's see. So we've got higher day. Got high volume. How am I going to play this? I need to pick up 30. The irony is this trade right here would have got me to target. And let's mm, mm, Wow. Quite a bit of selling there in our friends over at silver. Quite a bit of selling. Well, we're into an area we're interested in, so only need to pick up, what is it now? About 30. Is it 30? Yeah, need to pick up 30 to get to the daily goal. But we know how this works. Probably end up losing. Wow. Nice bit of clearing taking place here on the old silver. Into the high volume area on our friends at NQ. Oh, I just realized, Mr. Ethan. Oh, guess who's back again? Marshall Mathers. How's the trading going so far? Today it's been okay. Over the past couple of sessions, it's not been a great start to 2026. Hey, have you got more confidence than that, huh? Hey, have more confidence than that. Oh, this must have been when I was saying that it's probably going to turn around. Huh. Did you change up strategy? Looks like you have more profiles and new indicators than usual. I am pretty much, it's the same indicators really. I've used the periodic profile. I decided to go with the volume profiles, but the periodic ones, to just add a bit more order flow to what I'm doing. Those are pretty much the changes. This indicator is still the same, but decide to use periodic profile. Decide to use a periodic profile. I've got to step away from the chart. Increase the resolution. The thing is, let's see, value area. Is it a row size? I think it's that. No. What is the default? Is it 24? I'm actually just using the value areas on the profiles. I would increase the resolution. I'm actually using the value area, the width. Is this one? No, it's at 30%. Yeah, I think mine's usually like 100. 100? Can't be the width. Oh, hold on. What's happened there? It's some alert I had out there. Mine's 100. Goodness me. Da, da, da. Row size. Can't be that. Surely not. Row size. You had it at start 100. Okay. Let's see. No, it's too much of an auction in that area. It's too much in that area as well. Not a fan of where silver is at the moment. If we can come up and reject. If we can come up and reject, I'll be interested. I'm not sure if it's going to do that. And we're in a consolidation zone, and a lot of our friends at NQ. You should also turn the full profile, not just the value area, just to make the colors different, so you can easily see the value area. You should also turn on the full profile, not just the value area. Just make the colors different so you can easily tell the value area. I've actually been working my auction market theory knowledge. I managed to pick up a nice 11-hour trade using the value areas. Nice. Nice. What instrument did you make that trade on? You see, this area is just filled with profiles. So a lot of volume being conducted in this area. A lot of volume. Plus we've got a TPO point of control, currently testing that. I've got all these areas here. So we've came down, taken out the lows, buyers have stepped back in. But it's not interesting. There's a lot of volume conducted down here as well. Silver's not in a great place. Hold on, I've got to step away from the hold on, what's the time? What's the time? Let's see. I think I have to step away from the computer. I've got 2 minutes. Auction market theory. Good auction market. Oh, look at that. Buyers have stepped in at a point of control at 51. I need this market to be compliant. Will it do what I need it? What's this? Comic silver settles 5.73% higher at 80.53. It's already been settled. That's a bit of a son of a gun. Let's have a look. Let's see. Let's put in hourly. Where does silver settle? Some decent volume. Still has decent volume at that time of day. Did I just miss the opportunity to go short silver? I might have. Going to have to step away from the computer. I did it on Ethereum. Entry was yesterday 340, was today 706. I'm gonna have to step away from the computer here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to step away. Back in about 5 minutes. And I'm back. So let's have a look at these trades. So that's not doing anything. We're just hanging around the volume control over there, not doing anything. So we're saying I did it entry Ethereum yesterday 3:30 a.m. So that's EST, and today 7:06. Let's see if I can get another chart up. Let's see. Let's go have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum USD. Entry was, let's see, entry 3:40 a.m. on Monday. 3:40 a.m. 3:40 a.m. and the exit was, oops, I meant to take profit 7:06 a.m. Entry was 3:32 yesterday. Let's go 3:32. 3:32. And the take profit was today at 7:06. Huh? What in the world? You must have had a huge stop on that. Oh wow. Let me what is it? So let's go with New York. Hold on, what will happen if I do that actually? Actually, let me just fix my time. Let's not go messing with the time zones. Let's see, we're going to be breaking out here. 3:32 yesterday. Shoot, I'm really bad in my times. Technically, it was today. I was about to say. I was about to say, mate. I was like, hold on. Oh my gosh, what the hell's going on? Just what you need. Oh, what's it doing? Hold on. I'm gonna have to detach this chart. Yeah, there we go. Because when you said 3:32 a.m., I thought, okay. On Monday, I thought, all right, fair enough. I started looking at it. I thought, well, hold on a second here. He was in drawdown because I know you don't go into drawdown by much. I was thinking he's drawdown 1% or a drawdown of 1% either way. I kind of thought, well, that's unlike you. I know you don't. I know you have tight stops, so I kind of thought that was it's a bit odd. I was a bit worried there. So he's taking a page out of my book. Let's have a look. So this is just still hanging around. Finally seen a breakout here. And our friends at NQ. Can you trust NQ? Spent a long time consolidating in this area. I suppose I could just draw. Well, see, we've got the whole profile there anyway. So we kind of got the profile there anyway. So it's already there. No point drawing it. It's already there. Let's look back at our friends at Silver. So we cleared these lows here and came back. Let's have a look at our friends at Ethereum. So we took the trade this morning at 3:32. Let's have a look. 3:32. Oh, that is a nice entry. Now this makes a lot more sense. The entry was at 2:15.56, 2:12. Goodness me. Yeah, no, that's a really nice trade. Stop was at 212. Now that is a really nice trade. Wow. Let's look at Ethan's trade. Look at that. Unbelievable. Really nice entry around the 232s. Had a stop down at the 12s. Didn't get picked up. Take profit 244. So when would you have been filled? Around here. That would have been, yeah, around that 706 that you did mention. Yeah, around that 706 on this spike. There you go. Goodness me, that's a nice trade. That is a nice trade. Good work, Ethan. Really good stuff. Look at the volatility on this thing. Wow. That's really nice. Oh, wow. Oh, look. I guess that consolidation meant something. Seeing that breakout of our friends over at NQ. Let's see. 12 minutes. Where are we? 87%. So, hold on. Where is 1% here? Where is 1%? Oh, I've got 5% on there. Yeah, 1% should be on there. Where is it? 834. Okay. Don't think I can use this now. It's straight too far below it. So I move up to 34. Will we get the 1% on the day? We'll see. We'll certainly see. That was a really nice trade, East. A really nice trade. Let's see. When it re-enters a value area, it's a high chance of it testing the other side of the value area, which is where I put my take profit. Let's go have a look at that. Hold on a sec. This isn't doing anything. Let's go have a look at East's trade. So imagine you were looking at the tech profile, session profile HD. I probably should draw it on actually, because it's going to have more data than you had on. The reason I said draw profile from yesterday at 12:30, today 2 a.m. is because that was a profile looked like at the time. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hold on, I can't use a session profile because that's going to include data that you would not have been able to access. Let's see. Yeah. Look at this breakout. I wonder if I'm going to get the opportunity. Let Anyway, let's have a look at ETH's trade. Oh wow, look at that, we've run into the developing. So we got the point of control from the previous profile and this developing point of control. We're pulling back a little bit here. That's not the setup. That is not the setup. Anyway, so let's have a look. Let's draw up ETH's chart off screen. It was yesterday 12:30 p.m. till 2 a.m. So Monday 12:30, 12 in the afternoon until 2 a.m. today. Okay. So let's have a look. Let's draw his profile. So 12:30 Monday. 12:30, where is that? It's over here. 12:30 Monday, 2 a.m. Okay, I think I got your profile, ETH. I got your profile, mate. Here, look at this. I don't think he's coming back. Anyway, let's look at ETH's trade. Let's see. We take this off. What else have I got on here? Auto draw. Let's get auto draw off. Let's get that off as well. So you had your profile on. Prices came down through value area low. Rejected value area low. Rejected value area low. Came back down to value area low. And then you got in. And you took profit up here. Right on that spike. So since a high chance the price to test the other side of value area high. Okay, so the value area high right up there, yeah. So there's the value area high. There we are. So came down. You took the trade to the other side of value. Nice. And your stop was below value, right? You said it was down at 12. Yeah, that's quite a bit below value. What do you say? 12.30. Was it 12.37 or something? 12.97. So let's just say 13. Okay, below that swing low. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff, ETH. Oh, I can't believe I can reattach it to another window. Amazing. Trading view is amazing. I wonder if it works the same with these other profiles. Probably not. So the entry would have been there. And the other side is profile. No, let's not start thinking about things like that. So we came through. I guess a short ID is not going to work. So what we'll do is hold on. We'll delete this for now. Oh, hold on. I'm not even checking if I've got new messages. Yes, you'd be right. You'd enter at the side of the value, take profit the other side. So we're in this congested area here, where there was a battle between buyers and sellers. So let's see if we can navigate this area. It's harder to do it without really good order flow tools. Well, that's the gist. I could imagine, because I was looking at it and I honestly thought, well, with a developing profile, because we know the value areas do move as price develops, kind of thought, well, why would you take it here and not a earlier profile? I suppose it's around about the same area, but how much volume in a profile to make the profile valid? Like you said, you use other tools to supplement. Da da da. I wonder if silver's going to go attack. I can't imagine it will, because I think it's up at 82,700. You'll probably go attack it during the Asian session or something. The all-time highs. I wonder if it's going to make a run for it today. I'm not a fan of what this profile is telling me. Not a fan. The thing is, I'll have to start using this profile now. Okay. Oh no, I need to change this back. Default. Golly. Don't want that. Oh, I know what I'll do. Click that. Save default template. Default. Yes. Now when I get back to this, default, thank you. You then draw a profile on the P shape, the profile value area. Okay, so you then draw a profile on the P shape. Look at our friends over at NQ. They're really going for this 834 for that 1% on the day. I wonder if this high volume in here will send us down. Hold on, where is the new profile? Come on, where is it? Ah, come on. Where is it? I can't see it. The new profile should be on here. So we've come up to this congested volume area here, and we're having some difficulties, so we'll see. Yeah, I've read the message before, otherwise the P shape makes no sense. You have to read the message before, otherwise the P shape doesn't make any sense. It's harder to do without really good order flow tools. Basically, the price moves in a P and B shape and D shape. Hold on, mate. I think I'm going to have to... yeah. Where is the new profile? I don't understand this. I should have a new profile just like we have over here. Where is it? You have to read the message before, otherwise P shape with D shape. Those letters represent the shapes of the profiles and their value areas. So you'll see on silver, there's a move up, then a consolidation, which is a P. Oh, I'm using too big a profile there. And it's actually I need to pay attention to this one here because I may get a setup short. I'll look at it on another chart actually. I will look at it on another chart. Oh wow. Could be about to set up here. Ah, drew the box wrong anyway. Consolidation. Let's go look at silver. Let's go look for the P on the silver. Indicators. Let's do session profile. HD. Okay, so now we're out of this area. I need to use the most recent. Oh, come on. Let's unlock this. And let's drag this over here. And let's lock this up. Let's draw this profile here. Come on, kick rocks. There we go. Let's lock that one in. Yeah, we'll lock that one in. Let's see. So on silver, the P-shape setup is just played out. The profile starts at 12:44, ends at 1:23. 1:23. Oh, I think he means AM. The current time, 2:05. Oh, goodness me. Time's gotten away from me. Didn't even realize it's 2:05. There's something up with this. Why is it plotting the profiles at 2:05? The profile should have been plotted like 5 minutes ago. No PM for both. Yeah, I got my timings wrong. I didn't even realize it was 2. I still thought it was 12 o'clock Eastern. Let's see. One of two things is going to happen. I'm going to get my face ripped off, or no PM for both. Hold on. This market's not ready to go down there. Let's go. So 12:44. 12:44 to 1:23. 1:23. Oh, I'm about to get a short here. I'm about 30 away from my daily goal, so it's not a great area to be shorting. I'll be completely honest. Because of this recent low here, but hold on a second. No, I'm not supposed to be shorting. No, I shouldn't be shorting. I needed to break back in and then short it. So I need to get that right. Let's see. So we drew that profile on. Oh, I see what you mean in terms of a P profile. Oh, I see. So if I drag this chart out. So this is what you're saying is this right here. We've got that P profile. See, we've got that P profile. See exactly what you mean, mate. Do you see the shape of the price made after drawing the profile? You'll notice the price just bounced off the value area of that previous value area. Huh? Not on these charts. It didn't. Unfortunately, it did not go and test that value area. So, unfortunately, see, this is a terrible area as well. So we've got the high volume through here. The price has come down to it. Its own set of problems. On the profile you just drew, the price bounce around the value area low. You then use a delta. Oh, hold on a second here. Oh, come on. Oh, golly. It's not good. It's going to sell off and not give me a chance. Oh, golly, silver. Golly. That's weird. On my chart, it bounced off the almost exactly the value area low. Well, the profits I was looking for here, I don't think I might get them. I was hoping to go below, go above, close back below and go short, but with all this selling that's taking place, I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Maybe I'm going to have to wait on our friends over at NQ to see if I'll get the daily goal today. So let's have a look. Yeah, we were looking at silver. Let's go have a look at silver. Hold on. Yeah, let's have a look at silver. Yeah, on this chart here, using those timings, 1244 to the 123s, it doesn't quite get up to that value area low and reject. Up, hold on, let's see. Because of the selling that took place there, this trade becomes more risky. It becomes more risky. It becomes more risky. That's weird. On my chart, it bounced off the exact value. See, this could easily put in a higher low here and much higher. There's a B-shaped price movement silver now. Look at the P on NQ. See, that looks like a bull flag there, but I suppose if I was to draw it on. Oh, you said a B, right? There's a B on, look at a P on NQ, yeah. I was hoping it would come down into the 791s to give me a long, but guess I'm not going to be that lucky today. And silver is coming to this area where it can easily just chop around because of all the volume that was conducted previously. So that's a problem. That is a problem. That is a problem. Look at the gap down, showing there's lighter volume. Only 123,000. You know what? Let's go short. Let's go short. Oh my word. Hold on. Where's the target supposed to be? There. Golly. Where's the stop? Where is the stop? Hold on. But where is the stop? Let's go 1-to-1. Let's go with 50% of the way to the target. We're going to adjust our stop. Oh my gosh, we've already gone 50% of the way to the target. Adjust our stop to break even. 50% of the way to the target. So we've already adjusted our stop to break even. Probably going to get stopped out here. Looks like it. Looks like it. Yeah, gonna be stopped out. What can you do? Plus with NQ buying, I can see silver going up. Oh wow, nice. Nice. You know what? We only need 30 to get our daily goal. Oh wow. Look at NQ. Yeah, surely silver's going to turn around at some point. Let's take 24 off the table. Takes us closer towards our goals. If it wants to flush down to that target, then so be it. So, oh wow, one tick from target. You got to be kidding me. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be fucking kidding me. One tick from target. Oh, you son of a. Come on. Go get that one tick. Come on. It's just hit the one tick as well. I've just not been filled. Pure garbage, man. Pure garbage. There we go. Fill me. Fantastic. Fantastic. What he wants to do after this, it's up to that market. Silver just re-entered a B value area low and tested the top of value. So the B profile. NQ just re-entered the value area high, then tested the top. Oh, of that profile. I should have left that profile on here. Hold on, if I click back, maybe it's still here. Is it still here? Oh, come on. I don't want to draw that again. I'm probably not going. Oh, there it is. I drew profile one. Oh, should have just simply abashed you. Let's get our drawings back up. So you drew the profile 141, 205. Let's go. 141 to 205. Let's see. 141, 205. There we go. Nice. So run up to the value area high. Rejected. Rejected. Starting that consolidation through here. Let's see. So picked up 102 on that one. Thing with silver is you get quite a bit of slippage on silver. Silver is a very slippery instrument. You get quite a bit of slippage both to the upside and the downside. So I think on the day I am up about 170, just over 170, maybe 173 or something. That's textbook P shape there. I want our friends at 10Q. There's like 2 winning trades in the setup on NQ. You short the top of the top target, the bottom, then long the bottom, target the top. So you just range through this profile here. So you draw the profile and you just range trade it. Nice trading today, sir. I don't know, but mate, it's certainly much needed. It's certainly much needed, mate. You know, the thing about it is, you know, you look at charts, you do a bit of back testing, and you think you come in confident. You look at the data, you're feeling really confident. You come in, and then straight out the gate, you get punched. That's what happened to me. It was I'm laughing about it because it's a Shakespearean type tragedy. They came in, punched. And I think the market was saying, in a way, do you want to continue? And of course, you know, you continue, don't you? Okay, so we've had the rejection, the shorts. A lot of, yeah, it happens. Yes, then it breaks the bottom value area, then you trade when it tests the value area. Huh? Yes, then if it breaks out of the value area, you then trade when it tests the edge of the value area. Okay, so if we break out of the value area, then if it comes back, we take it if it sets up directionally. Okay, so we got some high volume in this area here. I'm not gonna, let's see. So if we go back over and our friends at what's this thing called? Gold, silver. It's gold. That's too slow. So over on silver, we've got this peak volume here, around here, of this area. And price is currently testing that, but see, there's quite a bit of volume through this area, but I'm not trading it. These profiles were too long ago for me. They were too long ago. Oh, I see. Yes. So if we break out, come back, retest, look for continuation. So if we break out eventually out the profile, come back, look for continuation. So we got higher value being developed here. Does this market want to go up to 834? I think I'm going to call it a day there. Oh wow, it's 2 hours. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day there. The world champion traders use auction market theory, so I decide to learn more about it, law, and it seems pretty good. Hey, well, look, if they're world champions, then I am certainly not going to argue with them. I am certainly not going to argue with them. Oh, here's a breakout. So we had a leg up, consolidation, breakout. So 834. 834. Oh, maybe I should add that to my to-do. Auction market theory. Let's see. All right, sir. Nice trading today. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by, Ethan, as always. And to everyone else, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.